नहीं है कोरोना नहीं है
So you can't see him?
नहीं हैप्पी
I'm so happy!
Me too, I'm so happy. Yay! I'm COVID free, isolation free, quarantine free, all over. I'm so happy. Finally, Alhamdulillah. You know, as you guys saw, that so happy to hug her, hold her, you know, kiss her, just have her near me. Sarah is also so happy and excited, and this is the only thing in whole quarantine that made me sad, that made me cry, that made me angry, that I could not be near her. I could not, you know, comfort her, hug her, touch her. The only thing that was irritating me in whole isolation. Otherwise, I had no problem. I had mild symptoms and, you know, that. So it's all good there. Health-wise, all good. But just, you know, yeah. And thank you everyone for all your prayers, all your lovely, heartwarming prayers for us. आप लोगों की दुआओं का ही असर है कि हम लोग जो है ठीक हो पाए, रिकवर हो पाए और आइसोलेशन से बाहर आ पाए. ये वीडियो मैं यहीं पे ख़त्म करती हूँ. अगर आप लोगों को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब टू धनक की दुनिया. एंड स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, स्टे हैप्पी. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.